something about us. We're in the prime time of our lives.
Schwippschwapp, Cola und die doppelte Menge Orange.